Baroh ki Skul bar ki Kolej Meghalaya kin khang ha kani Sngi ningkong harian ba ka sorkar Jylla kala Pynbna Shuti Sngi ban Isla ki khina Skul bat ki samla ban Peit ya ka final jong ka FIFA World Cup arjar apun riu umentri rangba konrat ki sangma ulaong ba ka football kade ki jisngotnat bat ka Mynta jong ki jing ha Meghalaya ula shim ya kani ka rai harian bola yoi ba ya ka jingbun ki paidbah ki bawan sha ki CM fan park bat harian ba ka Spain bat ka Argentina ki la rong sha ka final Ukonrat ulaong bakani ke Shuti kalong ban Isla ki samla bakin sngotenat purai kani ke jingele kai ka bakraw ula kit bok kit yang ru ya Baroh ki bape ya ka final jong ka FIFA World Cup arjar apun riu.
Hi everyone. I have some good news, especially for our football lovers. Apart from the fact that Spain and Argentina have made it to the finals, and also the wonderful response we got for the CM fan park, I would like to inform all of you that I have decided that tomorrow, Monday, will be a holiday for all educational institutions, including schools and colleges. As we know that football is a passion and is a way of life in our state. And in order to allow our youngsters to truly enjoy it, we have come to this decision. Enjoy the finals and wish you all the very best. Thank you.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.